Next, one more question that is given. This is from the genetics part. So experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by, okay. So here the scientists Morgan, Mendel, Sutton and Boveri. Sutton and Boveri just they proposed some hypothesis. But experiments on genetics conducted, okay, by T.H. Morgan, Thomas and Morgan with the help of the fruit fly, that is Drosophila. So answer is, okay, first option, that is Morgan. He belongs to experimental genetics and is also called as father of experimental genetics. Okay, and one more question is given from the animal kingdom. This is also from NCERT. See, all these questions, most of the questions given from NCERT itself only. Okay, so next question, bilateral symmetrical and acoelomate animals. Okay, so examples, that is Annelida, next one that is Ctenophora and Platyhelminthes and Asclepias. So Annelida bilateral symmetry is present, but acoelomate nature nahi, that is coelomic nature, that is first time appeared in, so that is Annelida. So this is not correct. Ctenophora and next one Cnidaria, where these organisms are generally not bilateral symmetrical, these are, okay, so that is radial symmetrical organisms, okay, and diploblastic organism these are, and okay, acoelomate nature, that is, so these are not correct. So Platyhelminthes, yes, Platyhelminthes for the first time bilateral symmetry and acoelomate nature, that is present. Okay, Asclepias bilateral symmetry and pseudocoelomic nature is present. So answer is Platyhelminthes. Okay, so this is the question. And next, one more question is given from, so that is structural organization in animal, that is cockroach. Okay, so if the head of the cockroach is removed, it may live for few days. Okay, because what is the reason? So in the case of cockroach, so here head, next one that is thorax, abdomen, three regions are there. So from head to, that is abdominal region, nervous system is present. Okay, so here options is given like this only. The head holds 1/3 part of nervous system, while the rest is situated along the dorsal part of its body. Okay, so this is not correct. And next, the supraesophageal ganglia of cockroach are situated in the ventral part of abdomen. So this is also not correct. The cockroach does not have nervous system. This is wrong statement. Okay, so the head holds a small portion of nervous system, while the rest is situated along the ventral parts of its body. Obviously, so small part of nervous system that is present in head region, rest of the part is present in the abdominal region, means remaining parts of the body. So that's why even if you remove the head part, so cockroach may survive for few days. So that is the answer 2. And next, one more question, it is from digestion and absorption. This is also NCERT question. Okay, the enzyme enterokinase that helps in conversion of, so enterokinase in the small intestine where digestion occur, where first options pepsinosin to pepsin, that is by, so that is peptin autocatalysis, and also HCl in the stomach region, not in the small intestine. Protein to polypeptides, okay, this is also not in, so that is in the case of, that is small intestine too. And next, trypsinosin to trypsin, yes, trypsinosin to trypsin, okay, that is because of enterokinase, okay, that is the answer exact. Casinosin to casein, this is in the case of stomach, not in the small intestine. So this is also not correct. So answer is trypsinosin to trypsin is the right answer. And next, match the following. Okay, match the following is given. It is from the sensory organs. Okay, sensory organ, that is ear part. Okay, neural control and coordination, human physiology. First, organ of Corti. Organ of Corti, where do you find it is located on the basilar membrane. Okay, and coacula. So what is coacula? It is the coiled part of labyrinth. So labyrinth structure, that is inner ear, where coiled part is present. So that is known as coacula. And next, eustachian tube. What is the eustachian tube? It connects the middle ear with pharynx part. Okay, that is. And next one, stapes, that is attached to oval window. Okay, so this is the question that is from human physiology. So this is also from human physiology, respiration, that is topic. So identify the wrong statement with reference to transport of oxygen. Okay, transport of oxygen here. Transport of oxygen. Okay, actually this transport of oxygen occurs from alveoli. Okay, alveoli to tissues. Okay, so alveoli oxygenation process occur. Here oxygenation process occur. Oxygenation means hemoglobin combined with oxygen and form oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin formation occur in alveoli. So that is process nothing but the oxygenation. So where what kind of environment is present? Here partial pressure of carbon dioxide is low and here partial pressure of oxygen is high, and here temperature is low and H plus ion concentration is also low in the case of alveoli. So the options is given like this only. Low PCO2 in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Okay, so low PCO2 in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Okay, so this is the answer actually. So here this statement is also the little controversial type. Let us see the other options. So binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is mainly related to partial pressure of oxygen. Okay, so this is the right statement. So partial pressure of carbon dioxide can interfere with oxygen binding with hemoglobin. This is also right statement. And higher H plus ion concentration in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Okay, so this higher H plus ion concentration in alveoli. So is it right statement, higher or lower? Lower, but is given higher. So this is the wrong statement. First statement, low PCO2 in alveoli favor the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Yes, so this is also we can consider it as a right statement. Okay, so answer is, so that is fourth option. Okay, and next one more question is from, so that is endocrinology part, chemical. Okay, that is control and coordination chapter, that is last chapter from human physiology. Select the correct statement. Insulin is associated with hyperglycemia. Okay, no, hypoglycemia. Hypo means low glucose level in the blood. And glucocorticoids stimulates the gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis means glucose is synthesized from new substances. Okay, so that is because of glucocorticoid. One of the example for that is glucocorticoid is cortisol. Okay, yes, this is the correct statement. Okay, cortisol, that is from adrenal gland, that is synthesized. Glucagon is associated with hypoglycemia. This is the another statement is given. See, here glucagon is associated with hyperglycemia. It increases the glucose level, not the decreases. So this statement is okay, wrong statement too. Insulin acts on pancreatic cells and adipocytes. Okay, so this is also wrong statement too. Okay, so that is, so answer is glucocorticoids stimulate the gluconeogenesis. So that is the right statement. Okay, and next one more question from evolution. Okay, that is theories. Next, and evidences. So flippers of penguins and dolphins are examples of. Okay, so here flippers of penguins and dolphins, actually they both have, that is common functions. Okay, they have a similar function. Flippers in the case of penguins and dolphins, they have similar function. What is the similar function? That is swimming. But they have different origin. If origin is different, function is similar, what kind of organs those are? Analogous organ. Analogous organs which exhibit what kind of evolution? That is convergent evolution. So options I said here. Natural selection? No. Adaptive radiation? No. Industrial mechanism? No. Convergent evolution? Yes, convergent evolution is the right answer. Okay, so divergent evolution in the case of homologous organs too. Okay, so this is the question. Easy question, NCERT question. And next, one more question. It is from again, that is evolution. From his experiment, Stanley Miller produced amino acids by mixing the following okay, in his closed flask. So he created, Stanley Miller, he created in his laboratory a artificial, that is, okay, atmosphere. Okay, so in his laboratory he maintained the environment. Okay, so in his closed flask, what are the materials he has taken? He has taken, that is, first of all, so that is CH4, methane. Okay, methane he has taken, and next one, that is a hydrogen, and next one, that is ammonia, NH3, okay, and water vapor. At what is the degree centigrade, that is temperature is maintained? Nearly 800 degrees centigrade temperature is maintained. So options में ऐसा दिया, methane, H2, NH3, water vapor 600 degrees centigrade. So it is wrong. So CH3, next one, that is H2, NH4, water vapor 800 degrees centigrade. It is wrong. CH3 is given and NH4 is given. It is wrong. And CH4, NH3, H2, water vapor 600 degrees centigrade. Again, this is wrong statement. Okay, so right statement is CH4, methane, H2, and next one, that is NH3, water vapor, and that is temperature 800 degree centigrade. Okay, so this is the question. And one more question, so is given from human physiology, excretory system. The question is like this: presence of which of the following conditions in urine are indicative of diabetes mellitus? Okay, so some of the components which are present in the urine, if they are present in the urine, so it is one of the indication for diabetes mellitus. What are the compounds, that is? So renal calculi and hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia means high glucose, and renal calculi means stones presence. These are not, okay, indicative for diabetes mellitus. Uremia and ketonuria. So uremia and means, that is, urea is present in the blood. Okay, this is not correct. Ketonuria. So ketonuria means presence of ketone bodies in urine. So it is okay, but here uremia is wrong. Uremia and renal calculi. So this is also not correct. Ketonuria, presence of ketone bodies, yes. And glycosuria. Glycosuria means presence of, so that is glucose in urine. Okay, so these are the exact answers. Okay, so this is, and next, one more question is given from Animal Kingdom chapter, that is, okay, which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? Okay, so that is first option. In Urochordata, notochord extends from head to tail and is present throughout their life. So is it right statement? No. In Cephalochordata, it is head to tail. Throughout the life it is present, but in the Urochordata only larval tail is present. So this statement is false. And second statement, in Vertebrata, notochord is present during the embryonic period only. Okay, yes, Vertebrata in embryonic period that is present, that is replaced by vertebral column in future. So this is the right statement. And third statement, central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. Obviously, so central nervous system, that is hollow and dorsal. Yes, it is right.